We got a package. Oh. Whoa. Stroke of Fortune Serum Body Cream Trio. Oh. Ooh, what is this? Oh my gosh. Almond Coconut Serum Body Cream? Holy crud. Those three. Oh, let's try it. I'm a vanilla nut. Oh. Oh, look. Oh. Oh my gosh, that's so good. I am really not somebody who likes strong scent. I like a soft scent. And that is exactly what that is. Super, super thick. Try it on my dry skin. Oh my gosh, it is like super, super silky. Like super silky. Wow. Whoa. Okay. Oh my god, that smells amazing. And it's like a beautiful... It's like a... Oh god, I don't know what that is. It's good. Last one is the almond coconut. Oh wow. Oh. Smells like, you know how almond usually, like, they make it smell way too sweet. This is like a really, like a fresh almond. And the slightest hint of vanilla. That is so light and fresh. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. Oh, it's so good. So nice and thick. Between my two hands, this has stayed nice and silky, and you can visibly tell the difference. And you can tell the difference when I touch it. You actually feel like, yummy! After this. All right, let's see what else is in here. Caviar Stick Eye Color Trio. You know I love these. Let's check them out. All right, here's what we got. 3 of them. Let's check out the colors. The first color I'm showing is Amethyst, and then Strapless. And the last one is Au Natural. No need to remember everything. You can tap View Products for more info. The Tinted Moisturizer Blush Collection. Oh yeah. Let's check these out. Ooh, there's 3 of them. Okay. Let's get out of here. Ooh. Try to keep it right there so I can show you the other colors. That's Promenade. Ooh, nice and creamy. This is Provence. Let's do Provence up here. Oh, that's very natural and pretty. Ooh, nice. I like it. All right, and the last one is called Southbound. Ooh, Southbound. Ooh, ooh, look at that. Oh, pinky. Oh. Very pretty. And last but not least, the Guiding Star Translucent Loose Setting Powder and Puff in Translucent. Let's see what we got. Ah, oh, a beautiful velour puff. Perfect. Ooh, can't wait to try that. There we go. Oh, look, you can see me. Look at me, looking at you, looking at me. Wait. Look at me, looking at you, looking at you. And you looking at me, looking at me. I love to use this just a little bit all over when I'm done, just to give it that airbrushed look. So pretty. These limited edition gifts are available by tapping View Products on the front of the video. Thanks for watching.